We are Redmagic5G Global version global distributor. We are Xiaomi global distributor. We supply with Redmagic5G Global version and China version global smartphones. We supply with Xiaomi global version and China version global smartphones. We can deliver Redmagic global version, Redmagic5G global version and Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. Okay. Here is Redmagic5G global version. Let's unbox it and review it. We can see the global version with CE mark and English sticker, Chromecom, 5G and display 6.65 inch, thermal fence, Sony camera. And to compare, we can see, and this is China version. We have global version and China version at the same in our warehouse. This is global version Redmagic5G, a super hot gaming smartphone. Now let's go unboxing it and review it. Redmagic5G have 4 colors. Full red color, we call it max red color, and black color, we can call it gray color. Another color is puce color. Red and blue color, and the last version is transparent version. It is only China version global. It doesn't have global version available by now. Can see the main feature. Global version, and let's take China version to compare. This is China version. China version global. Can see the difference. Okay, now let's continue to take it out. The blue color Super nice blue color. The first comment is Redmagic5G logo. Let's read it. Okay, now we had to enter into the menu. Here's cooler fan. Very cool color. SIM card slot, Type C to USB port, speaker, and both have the cooler fans. Headphone jack. Let's enjoy the color. Very nice. And it supports all Google applications. And about the phone, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, Android 10 version. Can see the language. Global language menu. Can see the label is full English. It is a 6.65-inch AMOLED LED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 388 ppi density. Corning Gorilla Glass. Fans is working now. Let's continue to review it. Its screen refresh rate is 144 Hz and resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. Android 10 operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. Octa-core 2.84 GHz. Memory 128GB long, 8GB RAM. 128GB long, 12GB RAM. 256GB long, 12GB RAM, or 256GB long, 16GB RAM. UFS 3.0. LED flashlight. Its front camera is 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and its main camera are triple cameras. 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, 2 megapixel LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4,500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 55 watt fast charging. Only need 15 minutes. 56% of the battery charge. Full charge only need 40 minutes. Very fast charging. And supports fingerprint under the display. Type-C USB port 3.0. NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.1. The phone have black color, red color, blue color, and transparent. Let's make a photo to see the picture's quality. Can see the details. Supports dual nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. Let's have a look. Cooling fan. NFC. About the phone. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Charger. Type-C cable. Can see, and the manual. Manual warranty certificate. Redmagic5G. How many languages? English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Turkish, Japanese. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, the global version Redmagic5G gaming smartphone, you can contact with us. We have the phone in our warehouse. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. We can deliver the global version Redmagic5G smartphones and global version Xiaomi smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China.